Hello everyone, myself Dr. Uma Devi from Department of Pharmaceutics, School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Chennai. Today's lecture is about quality by design in pharmaceutical development. So now we are going to see the topics introduction about this QBD, objective, benefits, elements of pharmaceutical development. Introduction. Quality by design is a systematic approach to produce a development that begins with the predefined objectives and emphasizes product and process understanding and controls based on sound science and quality risk management. Objective. The main objective of QBD is to design to meet the quality specifications to increase the product development and manufacturing efficiency. And it also enhances the root cause analysis and post approval change management. Now let us see the overview of QBD in pharmaceutical development. So it flow like this. First, define target product profile and quality target product profile. Then we have to identify the critical quality attributes, CQA. We need to carry out the risk assessment, the linking materials, attributes, and the process. We are establishing the design space. Then we have to work on this control strategy. Finally, life cycle management and continuous improvement. Key elements of QBD in pharmaceutical development. For the development of your product and its manufacturing process, this section offers an opportunity to present the knowledge gained through the applications of scientific approach and quality risk management. Here, the elements are the quality target product profile, critical quality attributes, risk assessment, design space, control strategy, finally, the product life cycle management and continuous improvement. Let us see one by one the quality target product profile. It forms the basis of design for the development of the product to ensure safety and efficacy of the product. This quality target product profile, which includes the intended use in clinical settings, route of administration, dosage form, delivery systems. And also the dosage strength also will comes under the quality target product profile. Container closure systems, therapeutic moiety release or delivery and attributes affecting pharmacokinetic characteristics, dissolution, aerodynamic performance. These are a few examples we can say and appropriate to the drug product dosage form being developed. The drug product quality criteria, for example, the quality will depend on the sterility, purity, stability, and drug release characteristics. So these are appropriate for the intended marketed product. Critical quality attributes, this is the next one. Factors that directly have an effect on the quality and safety of the products are first sorted out, and its potential impact on the method development is studied further. It mainly focuses on the safety and efficacy of the product. A CQA is a physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological property or characteristics that should be within the appropriate limit, range, or distribution to get the desired product quality. The critical quality attributes are generally associated with the drug substance, excipients, intermediates, and drug product. Critical quality attributes we are going to see for drug substance, that is chemical substance, and for drug product the product is mainly we have taken here tablet. So for drug substance we have to see the attributes of appearance, particle size, morphic form, water content, uniformity of the dosage, residual solvents, organic impurities, inorganic impurities, heavy metals, residue on ignition, and assay. The same manner, the CQA for drug product for tablet, if you take, appearance is the one of the CQA parameter, identification, hardness of the tablet, uniformity of the dosage, physical form of the tablet, dissolution property of the tablet, degradation products, the water content which is present in the tablet, assay, microbiological limits. These are the CQA for drug product. Whatever we have seen, that is for tablet we said for oral drug delivery, and for other delivery systems can additionally include more product specific aspects. So, including that, for specifically for inhaled products, we have to add aerodynamic properties also. And for parenterals, additional to the other CQA parameters, sterility is another important characteristics we have to add in that CQA property. For transdermal patches, adhesion properties. Then for CQA for drug substance, raw materials and intermediates, it includes the particle size distribution, bulk density, like many parameters will be added with this. Now we will see the another element, critical material attributes. The material attributes is critical when a practical change in that attribute can significantly impact the quality of the output material. A CMA is likely to have an impact on the CQA on the drug product. The material attributes can be on excipient raw material, drug substance, reagents, solvents, packaging and labeling materials. The next parameter we are going to see this critical process parameter. Your critical process parameter is any measurable input and output. Whereas in input material attributes or operating parameters will comes under the input, and in the output, process state variable or output material attribute of your process step that must be controlled to achieve the desired product quality and safety. Operations during tableting we have given listed in one side, and CPP critical process parameter in the other side, and the last one is potential quality attributes. For wet granulation for tableting we are going to see. So impeller speed is one of the CPP, binder fluid addition rate and time. The method of binder addition also is the another parameter. In potential quality attributes, the blend uniformity, granule size and distribution, the moisture content. So drying is the another operation during the tableting. Here we will see the drying time in the CPP, inlet air flow, the exhaust air temperature and flow. And in the case of potential quality attributes, the density is the important parameter, the moisture content, and the granule strength and the uniformity. In operations of milling speed and screen size, feeding rate is the CPP parameter, whereas potential quality attributes, flow properties, particle size distribution, bulk and tap to density. Mixing, if you see that, Mixture type, mixing time, then order of additions will comes under the CPP. Whereas potential quality attributes, we will check the blend uniformity. Now, during the compression, the pre-compression force, main compression force, and ejection force or the CPP, and the potential quality attributes, weight variations, hardness, friability, and continuity. And coating of the tablet, if you see, inlet airflow, time, temperature, and spray pattern and rate or the CPP, and thickness, hardness, percentage, weight gain, and appearance or the potential quality attributes. Now we are going to see the next element, risk assessment. The risk assessment is a strategic safety program designed to decrease the product risk by using one or more interventions or tools, linking material attributes and process parameters to drug product. The secure risk assessment is a valuable science-based process used in quality risk management. Once the significant parameters are identified, they can be further studied through a combination of design experiments, mathematical models, or studies that led to mechanistic understanding to achieve a higher level of process understanding. Risk assessment methodology, cause and effect diagram, that is fishbone diagram, we are using it. This is the method used to identify multiple possible factors for a single effect. Various factors that associated with single effect like man, machine, materials, method systems, and environmental need to be considered to identify the root cause. The second methodology is failure mode effect analysis. It is an important tool to identify and mitigate the possible failure in the process. The failure modes represents any errors or defects in a process, material, design, or equipments. The next one is process analytical technology. It is an integral part of QBD used in development to gain process understanding. It involves advanced online monitoring systems like NIR, near IR, then Raman, handheld Raman spectrophotometer, the online particle size analyzer. We are experienced in applications of Raman spectrophotometer to monitor process, blending, and wet granulations. The technologies further make assurance of continuous improvement in the process and product quality through its life cycle. So this is the model of fishbone diagram. So here we will see all the parameters like labors, methods, materials, equipment, environment. Everything will be in a single effect. We will study this. Design space. The relationship between the process inputs and the CQA can be described in the design space.